Okay, so I know a lot of people have been struggling to get Xbox Live during the few months. So I'm going to show you guys how I got it and how you can get it before the store closes down and all that stuff. As you can see here, this is my account, and I have clearly bought some like avatar stuff. As you can see right here, the emote might load. I don't know if it will or not, but you can see that I bought the background too, and even a profile picture. So, yeah, this works, and this is a brand new account. I've only had this Xbox 360 for like a few days, so this is a brand new account, and I have gotten Xbox Live with it. I've also been able to put funds on it, therefore you will be able to as well. And yeah, let's get started. So, first thing you actually want to do is keep this in mind that when you log out, when you sign out, you want to go over to well, if you go here and then you go to create a profile. So if you already have like an Xbox One account or something like that, I don't know if it would work or if it wouldn't because it's connected to another Xbox device. But theoretically, you can go here and then you can just select the hard drive. And then, oh, whoopsies, this is the wrong thing, I think. Theoretically, you can go to download a profile. This is what you want. And right here, you can just go to download a profile and then theoretically type in your email and password, and it should load onto the Xbox 360. So this is where we actually don't need to go here anymore. We just need to go to the Xbox Live or Xbox.com on the internet so that we can create an account. And then all we have to do next is just go back here and then click download profile and then enter our account. Pretty much that's the main thing. So one more thing that you might notice is that if you go here and you guys go to this page and you do the sign up process and then you get an error code, that's what I'm trying to fix today for all of you, and mine worked successfully. So let's get started. So, currently, I know a lot of people know that, like, if you go to Reddit or whatever, and they're like, oh, you need a PC to do it, blah, blah, blah. You actually don't. You can just do it pretty much the entire thing through your phone. And this will pretty much work with the entire Xbox 360 process, everything like that. So, let me sign out really quickly, and then we will start working on our new account. Now, obviously, I cannot show this, but if you click the top right on the create a profile looking thing, which I had gone ahead and signed out. The reason I didn't show that is because it did have my email attached to it. So, yeah. But anyways, you want to click that really quickly. Okay, so if you want to make a new Xbox 360 Live account, this is what you need to do. So once you click that top right button, you'll see where it may have your account on there if you've already logged out like I did before. But after that, you'll come to this page where it'll say sign in, email, phone, or whatever. And then if you don't have an account, which most likely if you have already tried to sign in with your Xbox One on the 360 and it didn't work, then you'll probably want to create a new account, which I'm going to do. And obviously, I cannot show that for safety purposes, so I'm going to do that really quickly, and then we'll move on to the next step. So after that, you're going to be coming to this section. You may have to restart the site, which is kind of what I had to do to pretty much help it kind of load and stuff. And then once you restart the site, if it crashed on you like it did me, it just went to a white screen. But if it did that, then you just relaunch the Xbox site, and then you should be able to sign in with your profile that doesn't currently have a gamer tag. So we're going to go with a simple gamer tag. We're just going to click, Spartan Games, and then we'll do like a little something like that. And then there we go. So as you can see, we have Spartan Games, and then I couldn't find a Halo one, which made me a little sad. I'm not going to lie. I guess, well, that looks like Promethean, so we'll go with that. But yeah, we're going to go with that, and then you're just going to click next, which you guys won't be able to see because, once again, my email is attached down to the bottom of that. But after you do that, you should, it should pop up here with data stuff, and then you'll just click let's go. And then it should load your new account. Yep, there we go. And then now you'll see it's in the top right corner. So we're going to actually head there in just a minute. And now here we are. We have our account set up. It'll say that I'm offline currently. I have 0 followers, 0 friends, because this is a brand new account that I've just made. So now, once you get your account made, also one more thing you'll see here, if you click that and you click My Xbox Profile, it'll take you to a different screen, a different page, and you may have to log out with your other account if it's already signed in, which I had to do again. But yeah, so now it's on here, and now all we have to do to get this onto the 360 is to go to that download profile and then enter the email and the password. So we're gonna do that really quickly. Okay, so right now, as you can tell probably, that we have the account set up and everything like that. So now all we have to do is go here, and then we're just going to go to download a profile. Now obviously, once again, I cannot show this, but you're gonna click this, download a profile, and then this is where you will enter your Microsoft account email for that profile. So I'm going to be cutting this part out. So yeah. Okay, so now that we have the password entered onto the Xbox, when we click done, it should theoretically download it or ask for permission. Yep, there we go. And as you can see now, we have, it'll say Hi Spartan Games 638, and that is our profile that we made on the Xbox site, which is pretty cool that it went from there and it went to an older gen console. So yeah, once this downloads now, it'll gather our info and all that stuff, and it may take a second because the avatars won't load. And as you can see right here, we can just do remember the password and then sign in, and now it'll tell us that we have Xbox Live as well, and then we'll just click the avatar. And now you will be, you can also click continue on that. And now you are signed in and you are with Xbox Live.